So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change font in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to your admin panel on Shopify. So it will look something like this. From here you can see home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, content, markets, analytics, online store, your add, apps button, as well as settings underneath. So through here you can go to your online store. Through there you can see themes, pages, and preferences. So go to themes. Once you've gone to there, you can see the three buttons right here, or three dots, and you can see the customize button. Click on that customize button. After that, you can see some options like here, sections, theme settings, as well as app embeds, and you can see some font that's being used right now. And on there, you can go to theme settings, and you can see logo, colors, typography, layout, animations, buttons, and many more options underneath. They really give you quite a lot of stuff that you can set up, but I suggest you go to typography. Through there you can see headings, you can see font, scale, body, and stuff like that. So through headings you can see the font, and you can choose a different font through there. So you can see mono, sans serif. You can see even other fonts. So right now if you click on this one, it's going to change up a bit. So you can see the font has changed. So you can do that. You can even select it, you can cancel. So you can see it's going to revert back to the normal font, and you can set it up like that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.